morning, dear student. Today topic is noun phrases. Okay, so in noun phrases, in previous class we have studied about the noun and phrases, and today we will study about the kinds of modifiers. Okay, so modifiers two types के होते हैं, pre modifiers and post modifier. Pre modifiers it means pre means before and modifier it means add some information. Okay, so pre modifiers we write before noun. Okay, and second one is post modifier. Post it means after, and modifier it means add some information, and post modifier we write after noun. Okay, so first I will explain pre modifiers. Pre it means before, and modifiers it means add some information. So pre-modifier it can be articles, possessive, adjective, demonstrative, number and ordinals. Okay, so with the help of these examples we will understand pre-modifiers. Okay, so that fruit was rotten. Okay, so in this sentence what is pre-modifier? Yes, that it is a pre-modifier. Okay, in second example, few students are in the class. So few it is pre-modifier because it is modify the noun. Okay, and noun it is a main word and fruit it is a main word. And in third sentence, your car is very beautiful. So in this sentence what is pre-modifier? Yes, your it is a pre-modifier because car it is a noun, and whatever we write before noun which modify the noun, that is pre-modifier. And fourth example, I am the first boy. So boy is a noun and word first it is modifying the boy. Okay, so first it is a pre-modifier. Okay, so I think now you have understood about all the pre-modifiers. Pre-modifier, these words we use. So in articles we can write a and the, and in possessive pronoun we write my, your, his, her, ours and their and whose. And adjective good, yellow, tall, smart, beautiful, we all write these words in adjective. And demonstrative, this, that, these, those. It means the word articles and possessive pronoun and demonstrative it function as a determiners in pre-modifiers. Okay, and next numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all are example of numbers. And ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. And quantifiers, a few, the few, and another, several, much, little, many, a lot of, and some. All are example of quantifiers. It means number, ordinals and quantifiers it indicate order and sequence. So how we will write pre-modifiers? As you all know, noun phrase क्या है? It means जो एक सेंटेंस में नाउन की तरह एक्ट करता है. इट मीन्स नाउन जो मेन वर्ड होता है, जो हेड वर्ड होता है, उसको जो मॉडिफाई जो वर्ड्स करते हैं वो सब प्री मॉडिफायर्स होते हैं. ठीक है, सो प्री मॉडिफायर्स में जो सीक्वेंस होनी चाहिए वो इस तरीके से होनी चाहिए. सो ऑर्डर शुड बी लाइक दिस. फर्स्ट वी राइट डिटरमिनर्स एंड देन ऑर्डिनल, एंड थर्ड क्वांटिफायर्स, फोर्थ एडजेक्टिव. ओके, एंड देन वी राइट नाउन. ओके, इट मीन्स नाउन ये जो वर्ड है इससे पहले जो भी ये सारे वर्ड है ऑल आर मॉडिफाइड वर्ड्स बिकॉज ऑल आर मॉडिफाइंग द वर्ड नाउन. ओके, सो बिफोर नाउन it is written, that's why all are pre-modifiers. So with the help of example we will understand the first few good students. Okay, so in this sentence determiners, the is determiners, ordinal first, and quantifiers few, and good adjective, and student now. Okay, second example, a second yellow car. Okay, it means the A is the example of determiners, and second is ordinal, and quantifiers है नहीं इसमें, and adjective is yellow, and car is a noun. So in this noun phrase the word car it is a head word, and all words are modifying the car. Okay, in next example, the last 5 vanilla cupcakes. So in this sentence cupcake it is a noun, and these all words are modifying the word noun. Okay, so the it is determiner, and last is ordinal, and 5 quantifiers, and vanilla vanilla it is adjective, and cupcakes noun. It means word which modify the noun and main word and head word, all are pre-modifiers. So we will follow this order to make pre-modifiers and for identify pre-modifiers. Okay. Now students, we will understand post modifier. Post it means after, and modify it means add some information. Post modifiers वो होते हैं जो noun के बाद में लिखे जाते हैं. So prepositional phrase and adverb we can use in post modifiers. Okay, so prepositional phrase it is act in a noun phrase as a post modifier. So prepositional phrase, a preposition require an object to complete its meaning. Therefore a prepositional phrase has a preposition as its main word followed by its object. As I told you, head verb and main verb is noun and pronoun. It can be noun and pronoun, and whatever it is written after noun all are post modifier. Okay, so prepositional phrase it acts in a noun phrase as a post modifier. So with the help of these example we will understand. Okay, so the zebra in the park, this is a noun phrase. In noun phrase zebra it is a noun. Okay, so noun या head verb या main word हम बोल सकते हैं. तो zebra is a main word and head verb in this noun phrase. So after zebra in the park it is written, it means the whole part it is a prepositional phrase. In prepositional phrase preposition and determinants and noun it is used. Okay, so in prepositional phrase preposition होता है, determinants होते हैं और noun होते हैं. वो पूरा बनकर ही prepositional phrase का काम करता है. It means जो zebra है, जो noun है, जो main word है, जो head word है, उसके बाद में ये सब word जो है वो as a post modifier का act कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. Second example, the teacher from Colombo. Okay, so in this noun phrase teacher it is a noun. It means head word और जो main word है that is teacher, and after teacher from Colombo it is written, it is act as a prepositional phrase. It means prepositional phrase it act in a noun phrase okay as a post modifiers. Okay, so with before teacher determiners it is written, and determiners we can include articles. Okay, so for understanding determiners you can understand all determinants also. Okay, so these both are examples of prepositional phrase, and prepositional phrase it act in a noun phrase as a post modifiers. Okay, now come to the second, that is adverb. So adverb can also act as post modifier in a noun phrase. So consider the noun phrase in the following sentences. So first example, the way out is not yet clear. So in noun phrase what is the main word? Yes, वे. ओके, सो जो मेन वर्ड होता है उस मेन वर्ड को जो भी वर्ड मॉडिफायर्स करते हैं ऑल आर पोस्ट मॉडिफायर्स. ओके, so the way out is not yet clear. So way it is a noun. Okay, so before way determinants it is written, but after noun adverb it is written out is not yet clear. So whole part it is a adverb. Okay, so adverb it is act in noun phrase as a post modifier. In second example, the shop there will open tomorrow. This whole part it is noun phrase. In noun phrase the word shop it is a main word and head verb. Okay, so after main word and head verb whatever it is written it is act as a post modifier. So there will open tomorrow, this is a post modifier, and there will open tomorrow it is a adverb. Okay, सो जो एडवर्ब जो है वो एज अ एक्ट करता है नाउन फ्रेज में पोस्ट मॉडिफायर की तरह. सो आई होप नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ प्रपोजिशनल फ्रेज एंड एडवर्ब एक्ट इन नाउन फ्रेज एज अ पोस्ट मॉडिफायर. सो इन दिस लेसन वी हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट नाउन फ्रेज एंड प्री मॉडिफायर्स एंड पोस्ट मॉडिफायर. नाउन फ्रेज it means it act in a sentence as a noun, and pre-modifiers modifiers, it means word we write before noun and word which modify the noun before the noun. All are pre modifiers. And post modifier जो words noun के बाद में लिखे होते हैं और जो noun को क्या करते हैं, modifies करते हैं, that are post modifiers. So in pre modifiers, types of all pre modifiers I have told, and post modifiers, in post modifier propositional phrase and adverb, it act as a post modifier in noun phrase. So it is all about the pre modifiers and post modifiers. So I hope now you have understood everything. So आज के लिए इतने करेंगे. Thank you and have a nice day.